Silent night, I only have one wish for that shooting star. Holy night, send me someone to love so I can hold their hand while we're ice skating around the trees, Central Park. Kiss them under the mistletoe. Oh, I want a Christmas kind of spark. Santa Claus, do you know Cupid? Send his arrow straight to my heart. A waterfall in love this Christmas. Santa, that would be the greatest gift of all. Turtle doves and all my favorite things come in sets of two. So does love. Send me someone I can talk to. We'll share stories of our childhood memories of Christmas past. Chestnuts on an open fire and another log to make it last. We'll build Frosty the Snowman and dance along with the Christmas band, and then we'll frolic like two old lovebirds walking around a winter wonderland. Santa Claus, do you know Cupid? Send his arrow straight to my heart. A waterfall in love this Christmas. Santa, that would be the greatest gift of all. Send me an extra stocking to hang next to me on the wall. Santa, send me a love for Christmas. That would be the greatest gift of all. Send me a love for Christmas. That would be the greatest.
You don't have to buy me flowers. I don't need no shiny jewels. Only one thing on my wish list, and baby, it is you. I don't want a little puppy. I don't need no fancy car.
Snowflakes and streetlights and covered trees. Kids like this stuff when it's up to their knees. Time seems to freeze. The smell of what's cooking, a chill in the air. There's wood in the fireplace and music in the air. I can't find a care. The shoppers and workers all bustle about, and people say out loud, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. The best time of the year. Presents are wrapped up and loved ones are near. Stockings are hung with the names we hold dear. I'm so glad you're here. The babies are sleeping so deep and so sound, and old folks say out loud, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. It's the best time of the year. So make the drive, hang up the lights, drink up the chocolate, maybe some wine. 'Tis the season for feeling fine. Forget your problems for once. Have a beautiful time. Snowflakes and bright lights and colored trees. Torn wrapping paper is up to their knees. And time seems to freeze. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. The best time of the year. Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas, Merry Christmas. It's the best time of the year.
Spirit everywhere. I think you know what time it is. Mama cooked a Christmas breakfast. I can't wait to see my presents. I'm highly jolly like Saint Nick. With all this love I see in town, plenty toys to go around. I'm feeling bright just like the snow. Home is where the family is. I'm crossing off my Christmas list. There's just one thing I'd like to know. Chocolate milk and reindeer games, it's my favorite holiday. And stockings filled up to the brim. Thank you, Santa, you're the best. I got my favorite ornament. This year I'm so fortunate, so I left some cookies out for him. many toys to go around. I'm feeling bright just like the snow. Home is where the family is. I'm crossing off my Christmas list. There's just one thing I'd like to know. Santa, can you groove with me underneath that Christmas tree? Everybody dancing in the place for us to be. I can hear them sleigh bells ring. Christmas time is everything. I just wanna know, can you groove with me? Christmas, y'all.
Glowing, soft as a flame, a candle shining bright through the pain. Christmas time is brighter with you. Snowflakes, they dance in the glow, running, leaving prints in the snow. Christmas time is brighter with you. Our hearts are alive, singing carols outside, and love is in the air. It's Christmas with you. Starlight on a cold winter's night, sleigh rides as the kids travel by. Christmas time is brighter with you. Our hearts are alive, singing carols outside, and love is in the air. It's Christmas with you. Our hearts are alive, singing carols outside. Our hearts are alive, singing carols outside, and love is in the air. It's Christmas with you.
Coming home for Christmas, it's been far too long. The sparrows are singing the Yuletide song. Leaves are falling, it's that time of year. Christmas season's drawing near. Oh, the carols we will sing as the children's voices ring. The winter snowflakes blanket everything. In a one-horse open sleigh we'll be laughing all the way. And that's why I can't wait for Christmas Day. Coming home, home. Merry Christmas, see you soon. Coming home for Christmas, how I miss you so. Boughs of holly and mistletoe. String the lights and decorate the tree, and hang a stocking there for me. Oh, the carols we will sing as the children's voices ring. The winter snowflakes blanket everything. In a one-horse open sleigh we'll be laughing all the way. And that's why I can't wait for Christmas Day. Coming home, home. Merry Christmas, see you soon. Let the star of Bethlehem be a guide to Jerusalem, and let peace and goodwill reign throughout the land. Coming home, home. Merry Christmas, see you soon.
Dashing
Jesus laid down his sweet head. The stars in the sky looked down where he lay. The little Lord Jesus asleep on the hay. No crying he makes. I love thee, Lord Jesus. Look down from the sky and stay by my cradle till morning is nigh. Thee to stay close by me forever and love me, I pray. Bless all the dear children in thy tender